that it was just me and my connection. At the end of the day, like, sweet. But
I'm a nice guy. Come on.
I did not say you're a bad guy.
Yeah.
I did not say you're a bad guy. Okay, give me more.
No, you need to drop a name now.
There's Anushka. There's also Ron.
All right, let's go for Ron. How are you feeling about that situation?
I mean, as I said, I've said it in my past interview that I do regret a lot of things. I'm not really like defaming or blaming anyone. It was my choice and it's okay to regret things, but I do regret so many of my decisions. I feel like after the merger and if I would have like been shown a few more clips, my decision would have been very different. Especially my gameplay, it would have been
Mm.
very, that's what I think.
I completely agree with you. And I think I feel the same, to be honest.
What do you tell everyone?
I just feel I feel like people are going to start to see for themselves. If I start speaking about it now, they're not going to understand why I'm feeling this way,
Yeah.
and it's going to be too much of like, what the fuck is wrong with him? If they don't know what is actually going on, because right now they're in the middle of the show,
Yeah.
and things are very different. But why I feel how I feel is actually starting right now, and it actually gets a lot deeper and a lot more intense, but the audience is not going to see it because I didn't speak about it. I only spoke about it towards the end, And now that's going to be a bit of a problem for the audience to understand. But me speaking about it right now is also going to just throw everybody off.
Yeah, that's what I said in my interview as well. People are not gonna understand my point of view because they haven't seen what's gonna happen. And I feel like with time, I will be telling people what actually happened, how I felt. Then maybe they'll understand. I mean, I cannot just make everyone happy, but I have been always real about how I felt, so I'm going to be real about it.
No, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I wish I was.
Yeah, I wish to. I wish. Oh God.
It is what it is. It happens, I guess. Next time. Better luck next time.
Better luck. Better.
Yeah. What's people saying there in the comments? I can't
Who
see shit.
will sit on the throne?
Say again?
Who will sit on the throne?
um,
And there's like a lot of people asking about are we an idol match?
what do you think about that? I think, I mean, you never know. You never know. We just might be.
I said it in a lot of my interviews that the second idol match is going to be very unexpected and very interesting.
Yeah, it is kind of. I mean, it was expected by a lot of people, but I feel like the audience is not going to expect it at all.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was saying from the audience perspective, from audience point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. It's yeah. Fuck. I don't know. I don't even know what to say without even throwing it.
But
I'm the worst at giving spoilers without giving spoilers.
so people are
Yeah.
asking to speak in Hindi, say something in Hindi.
Okay, you speak to me in Hindi. I'll try and reply.
So, like, have you learned any new Hindi word?
I know
Apart
all the guys.
no, apart from galis, not the abuses.
Have you seen the people I hang out with? I've got problems. They only teach me galis. But I mean,
Yeah.
speak to me in Hindi. I'll speak back to you. I think I'll try it, I guess.
ठीक है. आपकी फेवरेट लड़की कौन है इस सीजन की? Do you understand it?
Ladki is a girl, right?
Yeah.
Um,
Do you get the question?
yeah, I get the question, obviously. I understand. I understand more than I can speak. Who is my favorite girl of the season?
Oh yeah, you can understand well. Yeah.
Yeah. Um, But I'm looking right at her.
Mm.
And who is your favorite boy of the season? But be honest. Be completely honest.
Okay, if you want me to be completely honest, no one.
Pagal hai kya?
Yeah, I at first it was no one, but by the end of the show, things changed.
Mm,
Hmm.
I guess so.
Hmm.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, anyway.
My favorite,
Um,
but by the end, things changed.
but the end is always, it's a bit too late for the end.
It was too late. It was too late. What can I say? Suzanne is also here. Hi, Suzanne.
Add her as well. Let's say hello.
Oh, let's add Suzanne. Suzanne, Aja, I'm adding you.
You were with her last night, right?
Yeah, I was with her last night. We watched the episode. We like the star performer.
Yeah. I want to speak about something as well, all right? People were like making fun.
हेलो
Namaste. आप कैसे हो?
मैं ठीक हूँ आप कैसे हो नमस्ते टेन
एकदम बढ़िया.
one.
What's happening, Suzanne? You all good?
Yeah, I was about to leave. I'm gonna go meet Akansha for some time.
That's nice. Do you know you were the real star performer of
Yeah.
last night's? She was the
Yes!
real star performer. You can't say we were.
Though
You
you all
guys were the
performed
most
really
entertaining.
well though. Like the chemistry, bro. I didn't know.
The chemistry.
Just kidding. Oh, also, did you all notice they literally cut my bucket part, like the part where Ayush's bucket
Yeah.
fell in the pool, and I was using that chappu thingy. What do you call it?
Mm.
Chappu chaku? Yeah. To
The
like move it away.
yeah.
Yeah. The
I think that was the turning point when you removed that thing bucket. You know, Ayush. But
literally
what episode tiny?
Yeah, I
they
didn't
cut
understand.
it.
Your guys' task was so entertaining. Everybody was screaming and cheering for you guys. I mean,
Yeah.
even if people that
Ex-
had beef with you were literally going crazy.
Exactly, that's the thing. And I still remember after I picked the flag up, I was like all happy and all. I was standing on the board and I was like doing flying kisses, doing this pose and all of that. And they cut it.
Why?
I don't know why. I
I
remember
haven't watched the
like
episode at
Mimicry
all,
used
but
to
I
come
mean,
to me.
I'm definitely gonna watch it again just to see what they cut out of that challenge for you.
Yeah, we were
Mhm.
trying to find it. We kept like saying this thing, but cut her scene.
That's why me and Smita were watching it together, okay, like yesterday. And we were both like, what?
Yeah.
Half the
I
things
mean,
are
I
not
think they
there.
cut a lot of stuff, to be honest.
The mermaid.
What?
I can't see the charts. I can't see the charts.
Yeah, I can. I'm telling you, they're calling you Susie Mermaid. Hi, Niharika. Bhi
Hi, Niharika.
Namaste, Niharika. Namaste.
Let's see if Niharika is here, if she's available.
Yeah, see. I have to dip in like a minute, guys. My cab's on the way. Hello.
Namaste, namaste.
कैसे हो
एकदम बढ़िया.
I miss you, Niharika.
I miss you, bro. मैं तो अभी से बन के आई हूँ.
किससे?
I'm in Bali. When are you girls coming to Bali?
When are you calling us?
I'm gonna plan an
Actually,
event in
बताइए.
Bali. I'm gonna plan an event in Bali, and I'm gonna bring everyone over. We can have a crazy time.
Yeah.
You gonna book a flight for us?
No, the flight's on you, but everything else I'll cover.
Everything is sponsored. He's gonna.
No.
Flights
Now you
on
guys
you.
are pushing
Flights
it.
on you.
Flight's on you guys. Everything else I'll cover.
What's up, guys? क्या बातें हो रही है यहाँ पे?
कल के चैलेंज की बात करते हैं हम।
परफॉर्मेंस की बात हो रही थी. उन्होंने मेरा इतना कुछ काट दिया निहारिका कितना कुछ काटा उन्होंने मेरा शो वालों ने
Oh,
एडिटर्स.
वो तेरा वो वाला पोस्ट?
एग्जैक्टली वही तो मैं बोल
क्या?
रही थी. ये वो सब कट कर दिया बेबी.
Oh,
Very
भाई
good.
साहब.
That was I feel that was so iconic. वो वाला
एक
बंदा
नंबर
भी-
छपरी.
Ek number मेरा भाई. Oh gosh. I think they also cut that part out where I called Diksha Chapri. I don't know if they put that in.
Yeah,
They
they
cut
cut
out
it.
a
They cut it.
lot. They really cut out a lot, honestly.
Hey, listen, you need to hesitate.
Yeah,
I
I
don't say.
A
I
little
speak
bit.
get
facts.
You need to hesitate
Everything
a
that
little
comes out
bit.
is because it needs to come out.
God.
Exactly.
Need to
Oh,
hesitate.
yeah.
ऐसा ऐसा होना चाहिए bro.
Sub ठीक है.
No, but then I saw the challenge, Himanshu Diksha ka. It was such an easy win for them. Like, kitna easy ka.
Who did they go up against again?
Anushka and Mohit.
Anushka and Mohit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Diksha and Himanshu is strong though. I mean, they
Himan-
are strong. Come on, why are you pulling your face like that?
Himanshu, yes, I can like for a second I can say okay, Himanshu is strong. He's a performer.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I think they should both be on the dumb list, to be honest.
No way. No.
Talking about best performers, I think we need to remember Preet, guys. The
Exactly.
strongest performer.
Yeah, I don't remember.
I would leave my connection for her. Literally.
Oh, that's not good. That's bad.
That's bad, bro.
They should make a new season of Splitsvilla for that type of behavior.
Bro, but just imagine the audacity. The audacity of Niharika. Hypocrisy is insane. Niharika, तू मेरे connection को चुरा रही है. ठीक है? But मैं सुजान की connection को चुरा सकती हूँ. Because मैं जो करूँगी वो तो ठीक है ना.
वही तो ब्रो. और आके वो कह भी रही है कि मेरे को क्लाउड दे रहे हैं.
और
ले
तेरी
लो फिर.
character पे जा रही
Screaming.
क्यों? Like, imagine, yuck. Imagine a girl talking about some other girl's character in this manner.
सौरभ ने रिप्लाई दिया था ना, इट वाज एपिक. मजा आया सुन के.
हाँ.
भाई बहुत
3 दिन में. चलो guys, my cab driver's down. I'll dip. Okay, have fun.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Take
Bye.
care.
Bye, Jane.
Bye, Suzanne. Bye.
Let's talk about Niharika and
Hey, wait. But I am curious, to be honest. What?
oh,
Shut the
you
fuck
guys
up.
right? Jane and Niharika, you guys didn't meet.
No.
No.
But I mean, Chuck's bumped into you.
Yeah.
In Lokanwala.
And I just went up the lift and then you bumped into
Oh, he
him.
told me.
Yeah. I just missed all of you guys, actually. I mean, I literally came to Bombay for 2 days and I had enough and I booked the flight and came back to Bali. I was like, fuck this, I'm done.
Oh, you
He was
missed.
planned Bali. हम
Yeah.
चलते हैं बाली.
हम चलते Bali.
इनके
What?
पास विला है.
मतलब इंग्लिश में बात करो.
नहीं आती.
क्यों?
Jane will come to Bali. You have a villa, no, in Bali.
Yeah. But I'll arrange a crazy event for us, like a week stay in a big villa. We can all stay together. We'll do like crazy parties, crazy vibes. Go on a helicopter, go on the ATVs. We'll do everything.
ATV is dangerous.
Yeah, well then drive slow.
Okay.
TK?
ठीक
You're
है.
the wild, adventurous one, yeah, and you're saying this is dangerous. Come on.
I think
Walking in the streets in Mumbai is dangerous.
I don't think so. I think I'm used to it.
Mumbai is safe.
Yeah.
Yeah, until someone drives you over. I nearly got driven over at the airport on the way to Bali. The guy literally drove into my leg. Yeah. Luckily, it was slow.
Okay, guys, मेरी मम्मा का फोन आ रहा है.
How? Huh?
मेरी मम्मा का फोन आ रहा है. मैं जा रही हूँ.
Okay. Okay.
No, stay.
Her mom's calling.
Tell Mama
Mom's
say hello.
calling. Okay, you guys continue. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yeah. So how's your terms with your connection?
My terms. Oh, that's. I mean, it's quite obvious. Everybody questioning why I don't follow, why we're not speaking, why we're not making content, why we this, why we that. I mean, I think everybody's gonna get to know why it is like it is. I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not saying anything else. I don't want to leave it at that. I don't want to give too many spoilers, yeah, but it is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it
You know
is.
what? I feel like I don't know. It's like I felt it. Like most of the couples, They were just faking it.
Oh my fuck! I literally just said this in a podcast right
I
now.
and any of your
I
pod-
literally said that everyone is faking it. Himanshu and Diksha, I can guarantee you they're gonna break up soon. They're doing this all for clout. I feel like everybody is with each other right now just for their attention and clout. I
Yeah.
don't know why people can't just be real. It makes no
Yeah.
sense.
You know, that's what I said. If I have feelings with someone, I won't fake a relationship for clout. I
Yeah.
think I am individually enough to get the all the love, support, and clout and everything. I cannot just, yeah. That's at party at that success party. I was like, what is happening? Even that after I went to this after party and I saw a lot of couple doing a lot of bullshit, and I just could not believe it. I just could not believe that they're dating because of the things they were doing together with someone else and like flirting and all that. It was a lot of things were happening. I just could not believe it. Because I'm telling you, all the couples who are actually saying that they're a couple and they're like dating, they're not. They're just doing it for the clout. Trust me, guys. हम
Of
इतना
course.
बड़ा scholar दे रहे हैं आपको.
I couldn't agree with you more, but now I'm very, very curious to what you saw at the after party. Are you gonna tell me now or later?
No, I am gonna tell you later. I'm gonna tell you all. Not. I don't want any problems. It's not like they're saying Asmita is the biggest cloud chaser.
No, but I mean, you own it. You like literally know that you all it, and it's a good thing. I mean, you can see it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it, and you're being you while you're at it. Everybody else is fucking chasing cloud through everybody else that was on the show, and it's as simple as that. I mean, you're there doing your own thing. So what's the problem?
Exactly.
Do you feel like a cloud chaser? Do you feel like you're chasing cloud?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. Of course.
I mean, that's why we did the show, right?
Exactly.
So to a certain extent. I mean,
Now, what do you expect me to say? No, I'm not chasing cloud. I'm like a nice girl. I can never be wrong. I never said that. I love the fame. I love the fame and the recognition I'm getting right now. I love it. I love the cloud. Of course, I am. I cannot. Even Anushka, the BYOG episode was like 2-3 weeks ago, and now she's like digging the same thing again. That Asmita, you are my friend, and then you're talking. I don't get it. I don't. And she's saying that I am taking cloud from her. I'm taking cloud from Anushka.
how? No, so about Anushka, speaking of, I mean, they were the biggest flippers on the show. They were like hectic, all right? And I say things straight up. I don't give a fuck. Nobody's going to do anything in my life to make my life better, all right? I spoke to Anushka on the phone the other day because she's friends with my mutuals.
Hmm.
And she seemed very sweet. Like she seemed like a completely different person. And I said to her, if you're gonna have to prove it to me, because I mean, if you are the person you were on the show in real life, I want nothing to do with you. I really want nothing to do with you. I told her straight. But she's like, no, I promise you, that was just for the show. That was just that, and blah blah blah. Long story short, I mean, I didn't speak to anybody again. I haven't spoken to anybody, honestly. Really.
Haven't?
Yeah, for real. I'm not interested in people's bullshit. I mean, I've spoken to Akansha a little bit. That's because we met. I met with Gulu, and otherwise, I swear to you, hardly anybody I've spoken to.
Yeah, I saw that.
What did you see?
Yeah, I saw that you were not really talking to anyone.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not. I didn't really. I mean, I got on with everybody.
I was doing the same. You said, Asmita, why are you being a loner?
You were. You were. Why did you go to the after party if you were like just?
I went with Anushka. I just wanted to like have fun. So I went there, but I saw a lot of things that I wish.
Be careful what you say.
Yeah, I'm just not covering my mouth because I right now.
Yeah, that's the industry for you. That's what happens, I guess.
Mm.
Um,
We do add Gulu.
Adam,
Should we?
I don't know. He's probably gonna fucking bully me.
Oh, I
Is he on? Is he watching?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Right.
I think let's block him instead. How do we do?
What? Let's block him? What are you saying?
Yeah, I'm just joking. Reported. What are people saying there?
I did him. I don't know.
Did you send him a request?
Yes, send him. I just sent him a request. Let's see.